At first, I need you to introduce yourself.
Yeah, my full name is Shahriar Sifat, and my friends and family members like to call me Sifat, so my nickname is Sifat, and you can call me.
Okay, Sifat, do you like watching movies?
Yes, I like watching movies whenever I'm free and have enough time.
What is your favorite movie so far?
Actually, I like action movies the most, and sometimes I say horror movies whenever I'm with my friends.
Can you suggest us any movies?
To say about action movies, I would like to see the Indian movies because those are made about the terrorist attacks and army attacks. So I like those movies.
Okay, if you could visit any country, where would you go?
For visiting purpose, I would like to visit America because we know it's the most modern country all over the world. So I would like to visit that.
How old are you?
17 years old, and in this December, I'm going to turn 18.
So you're going to be an adult?
Yeah,
Very nice. Are you excited for that?
surely.
Okay. What's your favorite fruit?
My favorite fruit is mango.
Okay, and what is your favorite food?
My favorite food is biryani.
Why?
Because actually my mom knows to cook a lot of dishes, but inside them she cooks the biryani best. So it's my favorite.
Okay. Can you invite us to taste her biryani?
Yeah, surely. You can go to our house and taste the biryani. I will invite you. Sure.
Thank you. Can you swim?
Yes, I can swim.
Okay. Can you ride a bicycle?
Yeah, I also can ride a bicycle.
Do you have a best friend?
Yes, I have a best friend.
Tell us about him or her.
To tell about him, I met him first time in my school when I was at class 8. Actually, I didn't meet him in my classroom. I met him in a private batch, and since then we are best friends.
Okay, which do you prefer, books or movies?
Sometimes I would prefer reading books and sometimes watching movies because watching movies isn't good for everyone. Sometimes you have to read books, and for free time you can see movies.
Hypothetical question. If you had 1 million taka, what would you do?
If I had 1 million taka, first of all, I would like to buy a smartphone.
Just a smartphone?
Yeah,
Okay, and after that?
the smartphone might cost 1 lakh taka, so I couldn't buy anything more.
Okay. Do you think learning English is important?
Surely learning English is important. At least in this generation, you have to learn English for your future. Even if you want to get a good job with a high salary, you have to learn English. Or even you are going to abroad, you must learn English.
Okay, what is your favorite subject?
Oh, surely my favorite subject is English.
Do you like learning English?
Yes, I like learning.
What is a new thing that you learned recently?
I learned bike riding recently. My friend's elder brother bought a new bike and he was riding, and I wanted to ride, and he helped me to learn the bike riding.
Okay, so it was Sifat, right?
Yeah.
Okay, Sifat, it was pleasant to meet you. Thank you.